I need somebody to hear. Ne, wala ginikan ang mga imbaw. Wala ginikan ang mga imbaw. Hawa! Kaya nagituan ni mga ero. Ako ikaw ka ni mga imbaw, Pi. Hani ba ni ko nangaagitong naman eh? Ha? Nangaagitong naman ni mga imbaw na eh. Di jara siya nga badani na eh.
Nagitong ba yan?
Nagitong mo lang.
Ako tadi pakameta na dyan. Kalimot mo sa to.
Kulit. Pak man. Pak. Na di ako nakao. Oh. Do you wanna eat this one? Clam. Mukbang taste. Let's eat. Let's get rumble. This one is the imbaw. We call it imbaw. And we have this one. But this is the most important. This is the fried chicken. Thank you. Wak naman ko na nito pigi atay. Oy! Will be hello. Will be don't be mean to the dog. No, the dog is sometimes if I will eat, the dog will go in the table. The dog go in the table, that's why. But I love my dogs. See? This one. This is Ramu, and this is Mikey, and this one is Goko. Ano? Why? That is Sambo. This is Goko, just like yours. The same feeder like yours will be, and this one is Mikey. This one is Mikey. To anak ginada. They will bring the chair everywhere, so they are so naughty. That's why. I love dogs. Yeah, we are the same. I love dog also. Look. Hindi pa kanaan na rin iro dahil. Hindi pa kanaan na rin mga iro. This is Mikey. This is Mikey. He has red eyes. The other one has blue eyes also. Blue. Yeah, red eyes. This one is red eyes. This is the red eyes. This one, the white one. This one. Red eyes. That one. Mikey. Hey, Mikey. Sometimes if they will climb on the table, and it's not good because table is for food, not for them. So that's why in our language it's like No, you are not allowed there. So it like that. In our language. Tapos wifi ba? Ay na lang, kanibalik naman. Ay na, kanibalik.